Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with a project share. Earlier this week I started these Simply Wood ornaments. I did 2 lives working on them. Well, I have completed them, and this is the project share to show you how I did mine compared to this. I mean, they're cute. Aren't they cute? They're cute. So, let's show ya. And if you watched my artist trading card advent calendar yesterday, you kind of seen them. So this is the first one. Is the cardinal. I put some glitter on it and then the beads to hang it. Then we have my favorite one, the kitty cat. That's how I got that one looking. I like the. Then we have the little gingerbread. That's Xavier's. And then this is Diamond and Sam's. And then we have Mr. and Mrs. Claus. And then we have Allie. I put their names on it. And on the back of them, I always put Christmas 2024, Love Nana. And this one's also Leah's. And then Coda. And, oops, Riley's. I wish I would have did her name different. I wish I would have put it there. I might try to fix that, but it's cute. So them are the ornaments I did. And I'm going to do 2 cat ornaments because I want to do another one. That's like that. I love that little image of the cat. So I'm going to scan it. I'm going to. I'm not getting rid of these because these are cool little images. I wish I went to wrote over a couple of them like I did, most of them. But I'm going to cut that little cat out and I'm going to scan it and make ornaments myself and put my cat's names on them. And I got some like little wood. It's like half this size. And I'm going to see maybe it'll fit on one of my wooden dominoes. Yeah, I still have wooden dominoes from the Dollar Tree, guys. Yeah. So, I'm going to do that because I think that cat is so cute. And all I would have to do is color a little bit right here. Because their faces, I probably do the whole thing black and make them more look like my cat because, let me see. I'll show you my kitties. Let's see, my recent, I take pictures of my cats all the time. I'm that cat lady. Just saying. Where's a good picture of my cats? Well, what the heck here? Oh. Once. Okay. Let's see. Well, this is Oreo, so she's all black in the face. And let's see if I can get a picture of, oh, who's that? No, that's Oreo. Oreo. It was funny because we bought him a cat tower, guys. It was funny. Oops, I don't like that. What did I throw? We bought him a cat tower, another one, and they play in the box that it came in. Because that's their cat tower I bought them. It's big. See? And the first thing Harley does, she climbed in the box. Okay, home. I'm trying to find my other cat. Take a picture of my other cat. Oreo's the one I catch and I'm able to take more pictures of because she's a lounger. Yeah. She's up on everything. She lounges more. Harley's the lounger, I'm sorry. Oreo, she doesn't like to sit as much as Harley. they don't have one place for me to take a picture, but let's see if I can get a picture. Right there's, right there. There is my Harley, see? Or Oreo. Oreo's just got that little black. I can't talk today. Just got that little black. So that's what I would do is I'd color that totally black. Or maybe I'll find a coloring image of a cat like that and just color it myself. And make them look like my own cats and to make their ornaments. And if I do it, when I do it, I'll show. So this turned into a longer video than I was hoping. So thank you guys for watching and coming into my lives to watch me do these. These kits are fun, but make sure you read what's on the paper. Because this was an old set. My girlfriend got this, my neighbor, Diane, found this in that bins, Goodwill bins. The paint was not even work, but it didn't even come with a paintbrush. It came with a little piece of sandpaper, but it didn't come with like a paintbrush for you. What if you don't have paintbrushes and you thought, oh, I'll buy that? Yeah, so make sure you read just in case when you buy stuff like that, those might be things you need. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good Saturday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.